focus was on training, right? Or am I what? Teaching or training. All right, if I'm training, all right. Somebody over here, I haven't heard anybody over here. Give me, what are the 5, now you can't look in the board. What are the steps to doing a good training? I'm looking for somebody back there to holler at me. Come on, somebody, quickly. All right, and what you're going to do is, when you get ready to teach, is keep it simple. Also, I wrote a book called The Art of Teaching and Preaching, which, if you go on my website, you will be able to find it. But it is also based on a real old method that I think is still good. You combine it with this. It's hook, book, look, and took. The whole book is on that, how to use that method. Again, it's something you can put on a scrap sheet of paper, hook, book, look, and took. Especially if you got to, do preaching and somebody just asked you an hour beforehand, you can put the scriptures down and make sure you flow and don't get stuck on one thing. Because as preachers, sometimes we love to tell stories, but we forget to talk about the Bible. And some love to talk about the Bible, but they